Me and Nick over here, about to go freaking get a new dump on the speed.
I have water down mine. It just shoots out as soon as I crack it.
Don't.
Is that a Subaru?
Yes, that was some rumble. Watch it. I tried. You did good. Let's go. Woo! Oh! Woo. Yeah, boy! Let's get it. I don't know about fitting through this one. Let's go, baby. I hope that's not rusting, dude.
Yeah, they're not terribly hard to make. Just gotta clean it off and then. I gotta do that with mine.
Yeah, dude.
What's
I like
nice?
the pipe too. The pipe even this looks better. It's more stainless.
Well, that's a 44 mil. Mine are 38 mil. So
Oh, it should be the same size. 175 tube.
I think so.
Yeah. Dude, that thing is donkeyed.
That's not terrible.
Nah, dude, that's good.
Gotta hit it from the inside.
Yeah. Let's go look at this Beamer at this shop. I think this is NMH NightmareGarage. This thing is just looking cool. Dude. Very nice. Very nice. They fixed the trans issue and put new turbos on it. This angle is ridiculous.
Stop. Tell the crew chief need a pit stop. Everybody lust for a big watch. Need a big boat for a big dock. And I don't understand why. You tell me I can't, why can't I? I got the one you want on standby. I was in that lake till it rained.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm doing this in my car.
Bring your car in here.
Yeah, we got you now.
Okay.
Wow, wow, wow.
Like, we can do, just tell him to like, if you want, like I can order that pipe tonight.
1 week later.
Holy shit. Ah! Plate biz, plate biz.
So we can stop doing some of this.
Yeah. Dude.
I got a
nice, man, nice. Yeah.
I got a widener.
That was lit. But yeah, that's like almost perfect. It's good that you cut it a little bit. Get a little walkthrough going to NMG's garage. We're working on a Subaru, they put a motor in that. We got my car here, we're getting a little plate put on the dump. That's just so good looking. This place is real cool. We will once have a shop like this. I cannot wait. They parted out this, they're selling that. This is Phipps, my welders. That's mad cool, man. Hell yeah, brother. Let's go fitter.
David's friend at work gave me a Sheets free car wash, the $15 one. We can take this to the Sheets car wash. Flash cut tip if you know anybody that wants one.
Okay, dude, I might. So we need to make my exhaust.
Yeah.
We need to do that. Like, we'll maybe if we have a lift free here, we can do that, dude. Man, straight pipe's just nothing else. I haven't had a 3-inch straight pipe either. I have had, when I had my straight pipe, it was 2.5.
Like back pressure in general is just not good.
Just get out of here, dude. Just back pressure, just get out of here.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Nah, dude, just get out of there. Man, that's why I would do fender exit. I'm balling.
Fender dump, big flames.
Fucking huge flames, dude. This is the man that has welded all of this car. Dude, you geek me out, man. This is so good. I love it.
You can kind of see it down there.
Oh, that manifold. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Oh, dude, beautiful. Lovely. Dude.
The shape is just it's like nothing else. Oh,
I just don't know where to start. Like, where did you start with making this? Like, you start the V-band?
Where did I start?
Yeah.
I actually made this. I started with the pies first.
Just the bend?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
I tacked the V-band onto some pipe. Went
Okay.
2 inches back, about 2, and then just started. I tacked on the. I think I made it to about here first, and just kind of kept making pies as I needed them.
Yeah, to get it to that angle.
Yeah, and then once I had a good angle,
Damn, bro.
then I just kind of went as far as I could, straight back, and then you just start to see how many pies you need.
Yeah.
It doesn't take many.
Look down in there again, dude.
It doesn't take many.
Holy shit. Oh, I didn't see the bend in it down there, man.
Oh, the bottom bend is the craziest one.
Dude, that is so cool. Oh, dude, this wheel is mint.
Oh yeah, he took, I don't know how long exactly, but I know he's been sourcing out this interior for a couple years.
Really?
Everything in here he's been sourcing out.
I mean, you can imagine. I mean,
think it
these
was
door
like-
panels are mint, and they're like
yeah,
stock.
the whole interior is just like almost perfect. Oh, it's a 90.
90?
Yep.
Interesting. That's sick. That's pretty new for anything.
One of 90, like
Yeah.
January.
Yeah.
So
You gotta figure out how to put your name in this thing, dude.
I know.
Like, if you get this intercooler pipe, you could put your little stamp right there
I
or
know,
something, or your
I know,
name.
that's what I was thinking.
Phipps.
The one weld on the blow-off valve flange on the inside,
Yeah.
it came out like perfect.
Look how huge that alternator is.
Like,
That is a 90s alternator.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
Of course,
Yeah.
support bracket. Push that in. Yeah. Painted them on, welded them to the bottom down here.
Hooked my finger. Alright, dude.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna call it a night. It's like 9 something, I don't even know, but I gotta go hang out with some boys.
Yeah.
Sir?
I'll see you.
Again.
Good to see you again.
Dude, very fun. I love coming here, man. We're on our way home now. Chill out with the boys for the night. Get a little twisted. We'll get some ride-alongs for you. Just a quick little pull here. Get some flames, hopefully. That'll mess up directions also. Let's get it. That one got me going.